Hello, I'm Doug and this is the Taste and Sensibility channel. And today we're at Black Licorice review number 9. But we're not looking at this black chewy candy that's all around me back here. But we're looking at a licorice flavored cookie. Or a little waffle pastry, a little tea biscuit type thing. Called Pizzelle. Italian waffle cookie. And this one is anise flavored. Lots of them are vanilla or fruit or different things like that, caramel. But this one's anise, so it falls right into our wheelhouse. So if you like the reviews of black licorice that you're seeing on this channel, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Click on that bell icon and get notified whenever new videos are released on Mondays and Thursdays. And let us know you're watching. So I was traipsing around a TJ Maxx or a World Market and came across this interesting set of cookies that were fairly large. Maybe you can see in the cross section there that they're big round things, 4 or 5 inches across. And I said, well, that's interesting and that's nice, and but I don't eat cookies, and I'm sure they're not going to have a black licorice flavor, or honey. But as I looked through the different types that they had, there was anise just sitting there looking at me. So I said, okay, I'll try that. So I bought this and was mildly pleased and mildly impressed because it's a mild flavor. So I will pull out my last pack. Yes, yeah, I don't know. That's a big clunky package. So here's my last package. It comes in 4 little packages. I think I count 9 wafers in here. So they're waffly, they're rosettes, they're flowery shaped. So they're pleasant and nice. I don't really eat cookies, so I didn't have a lot to do with them. So, well, let me smell. It's a cookie, it's a waffle, it's a cooked flour. You can tell it's browned. You can tell it's cooked. Wheat or flour based. There's a little vanilla flavoring. It seems like I might read the ingredients. Okay, that's it. I'm reading the ingredients. The ingredients: flour, sugar, egg, canola oil, soy lecithin, caramel, anise, baking powder, salt. So it's a good smell. It's a pastry smell. It's a cookie smell. I'm not sure I get anise. It could be in there, but it's faint and blended in. So this is a nice brown, crisp waffle. You put it out of here for show, and I will eat on a different one. Let me break it. It's not as crispy as it could be, but I'm not sure you want it to turn into dust when you break some. Definitely more anise on the flavor. There's a vanilla note to it on the smell and the taste, even though it says there's no vanilla in it. And I believe them. Why would you put something expensive in there and not get credit for it? So all the vanilla comes from the artistry of baking. Baking with wheat. So the anise is mild, reserved, polite, and probably would not interfere with things that you put on it, like if you put it on peanut butter or Nutella spread, or dipped it in tea or coffee or something. It's not going to be a problem. It's just a nice light anise flavor you pick up eating it plain. It might get overwhelmed or swamped out by other flavors. And only half the people that hate black licorice are going to go, ooh, I can't eat this. The other half might not even notice. Might not find it objectionable. So this was an interesting find and very pleasant, but I'm not really a cookie person. So I wasn't sure what to do with them. Hence, half my stash is still here, sitting around after the expiration date, which was November of 2018. But there's some useful tips on the packaging. So let me read other great serving ideas. Crumble and use as a crunchy topping over ice cream. Cereal, puddings, yogurts, or cake. Top with your favorite jam, hazelnut spread, or preserves. Dip in your favorite beverage. Whiskey? Coffee, tea, liqueurs. Oh. Dust with powdered sugar. Drizzle with melted chocolate. Use with chocolate fondue. Microwave each cookie for approximately 20 seconds and immediately shape into a cannoli tube or taco shell. Fill with your favorite fillings such as whipped cream, fruit, pudding, cannoli cream, or fiery hot ghost peppers. Layer Reko Pizzelle cookies with your favorite pudding. Use as many cookie layers as desired and top with whipped cream. Decorate if desired. Refrigerate 12 hours prior to serving to allow cookies to soften. Or Pizzelle ice cream sandwich. Spread your favorite ice cream between two Reko Pizzelle cookies and serve as delicious ice cream sandwiches. So there's a few things you could do with it. All of them probably negated by having anise flavor, but it's mild, might not clash with many things. So this is pleasant and nice, and I would, maybe I'll go have some tea right now after this video shot. And dip this in there. So this was an interesting non-candy application of anise flavoring, and thought I'd throw it into the set here. Maybe vanilla and caramel are moving just fine at grocery stores and places where people really shop. And it's the anise flavor ones that get diverted off to World Market or TJ Maxx when no one buys them. I don't know the details of how all those stores work. But anyway, this is interesting. Some people will like it. Some people will be able to put it to good use and enjoy the anise flavor in this. So once again, comment, subscribe, like, do all those things to the video on this channel. So stay tuned for that next review, which will be on this black, chewy, gooey, smelly candy. And come back for more.